Hi, it's me, Bella. Welcome to my vlog. Today is our acquaintance day, and I'm happy celebrating this day with my classmates. And I would like to say thank you to my mommy kay nag-buy siya nan ako new dress. Nag-dance kami ng Pretty Little Baby. After mag-dance, nag-eat kami ng Jollibee. Then, nag-join ako sa parlor games. Og na winner kami, kaya happy ako. Give kami ng reward na bubbles. Nag-cry si Brian kay wala iya